Austin public health officials warn parents big parties are not a good idea. And after a group of local high school students tested positive for the coronavirus, Austin public health says there could be criminal charges. KVUE's Madi Salazar explains.
It's something Austin public health officials have been worried about since the beginning. What are students doing outside of the classroom? Are they bringing home the virus to family or teachers? Officials say the way to avoid COVID-19 clusters is to be reasonable.
Understand that this disease has not gone away and that there are risks.
That's Austin Public Health's Dr. Mark Escott's reaction to Central Texas sports teams in quarantine after Round Rock and Pflugerville ISD sports team members were possibly exposed to COVID-19.
We've made a recommendation that if students are going to be involved in those activities, which we know are going to increase their risk of transmission, that they mask and social distance at home to avoid spread to other family members.
Escott's more worried about students gathering for extracurriculars than in actual classrooms. He suggests student athletes should get tested often.
This is a issue that districts across our community are going to have to continue to weigh in terms of whether or not it's unacceptable risk.
Parties are also on officials' minds as a cluster of COVID-19 cases comes out of a local high school.
That was another one of the reasons that we set up our isolation facility.
Although APH can't disclose the name of the high school, officials say if they find evidence that a law was broken, there could be serious consequences. As far as upcoming holidays, Austin Public Health suggests to celebrate only with people that you live with. Reporting from Austin, Madi Salazar, KVUE News.